Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel before we get started. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you know when I post as well. Today I will be doing my unboxing for my LUVME Hair affordable luxury wig. Alright, so it's time for the unboxing of my LUVME Hair luxury wig. I had ordered the Undetectable Invisible Lace Glueless 13x4 Frontal Lace Wig, Real HD Lace, and I placed my order, I want to say September the 5th. Yeah, it was Labor Day, and I got my package on the 9th. So it took about 4 days. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical about ordering it on Labor Day because, you know, holiday shipping is normally like crazy busy. And they sent me an email saying it might take an extra 2 to 4 days, but it really didn't take that long for me to receive my package at all. So that's really good. It was fast shipping. But in my package, I have wig caps, a 2-piece wig cap. I have this little packaging. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, sweetheart. All right, so first I have, this is a LUVME Hair satin scarf for my edges. Satin scarf for my edges for my baby hairs. This is what this is for, a satin scarf for my edges. Adjustable band for the wig because it is glueless. Also an edge brush with the comb and the brush on the other side. As y'all can see, I didn't slick down my baby hair, so I'm gonna use this on my regular hair too. I got some bobby pins. This is nice. I got a LUVME hair clip. Probably won't be wearing that because it's gonna clash with my looks, but who knows, I might get a little jazzy one day. I got some tweezers, which I will be using to put on lashes, you know, because I can't find my other ones. So tweezer, bobby pins, handy dandy edge brush, hair clip, adjustable band, and my satin scarf. So that all came in this little Ziploc packaging right here. I also got a gift card for $5 off, which is good until November 2021, so this year. And they sent me a hair care kit, how to care your hair and wig, how to use your hair / wig, frequently asked questions about products / usage, refund and return. So they have a little pamphlet with all of that in here. So that's nice. I like that. That's nice. I also got this transparency paper. It says enjoy your hair journey from now on, Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair. So that's pretty, and everything was just wrapped in here. Let me try to put this back in this is like this, so I can put this back in the packaging because I don't get my hair done until Friday, the day before my birthday. But I know what y'all here for. Y'all really here for, y'all don't care about that extra rah. Y'all here for her. Y'all here for my wig. In the packaging with the hairnet and all of that. And then you have the plastic in there, and this is the wig. Let me do a run through with my hands. Ooh, my hands flowing through there easily. It does smell a little funny. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm not worried about that because I'm getting her dyed, so I don't mind y'all seeing her. But this is the 22-inch. I don't see any shedding, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see this lace. I'm gonna scoop my camera back a little bit so that y'all can see the full wig, because I know y'all can't see the whole thing. But this is the whole wig. It's body wave as well. This is the lace, HD lace, and on the inside it has hair clips, and it has places for the adjustable band, and it's already, the only thing I don't like is that it is already parted. I didn't know that it would be parted already because it's, you know, I wanted a free part, but it's okay because I wanted my part over here anyway, so it'll be fine. But I'm excited to get her done. I can't really put her on to see anything because, you know, I got my bun in, so I can't really try to slide her on, but I'll put it to the side so y'all can see. Like, the length is gonna be like probably mid back, probably bra, top of my bra length. I'm like 5'2", so it'd probably be that length. And I'm gonna do some pin curls when I get my hair done. I want to do pin curls, but I like it. I love it. It's not shedding. There is some flyaways, but that's probably because it's just been sitting in the package. But I am gonna do a review after I get her installed. I will be doing a review, and I will be showing y'all the installation. I'm not doing it. I'm going to someone else. I'm gonna do the wig, a glueless wig install. But my friend got 40-inch hair. But I'm so excited. I can't wait to get my hair done. Like, I wish I could have got it done earlier, but I'm so excited. I can't wait to see, you know, how the hair really is, how, like, if it holds a curl, all of that good stuff. I'm super excited. So Friday, y'all will, maybe Saturday, but y'all will see the outcome of everything and the quality of everything. But so far so good. I like it. I just don't like the smell that it has, but I'm gonna, you know, dye it. I have a specific look I want, so I'm not too concerned about this. Is my unboxing for my Love Me hair, my first glueless. This is my first like glueless HD wig first, so I'm super excited about that. And y'all already know I did my review on the Mady Beauty wig, so I will be doing a review on this. So get ready and stay tuned, because I am going to drop the tea and tell y'all what it is. But yeah, that is my unboxing of my Love Me hair lace, HD lace wig. And I'll be back once it is installed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go check them out. Their shipping was very fast. Packaging is beautiful. Yeah, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on so that you know when I post. It is my birthday week, so I will be on here all week, maybe 2-3 times a day. I have some hauls I will be doing, you know, because it's 28, so I'm gonna be eating my looks. But I'm super excited. I'm about to transform, even though, you know, I'm still cute with my natural hair, my natural beauty. No, I'm still gonna get into these looks, but peace. I'm out.